Just checking the exposure. Exposure's good.
Yeah?
The hair's all over the place.
Of course it is, it always is. When I'm here it is.
A good old top of Nemi.
Aye.
So apparently the vlog starts here.
Yeah.
So, hi Dan.
Hello.
Me and Dan haven't seen each other in person
Getting
for
on
like 2 years. So. Dan's excited.
I've been on this many times.
Yeah, I know, but you're still excited, aren't you?
Yeah, always. Rosie hasn't been on it.
You've not been on it?
And Jack hasn't been on it either.
It's going to be interesting.
I've never been on like any of the modern wooden
GCIs.
yeah, or any of those sort of manufacturers.
I've not done an RMC yet.
Yeah, me neither.
I want to go make Untamed my first, because my god, that looks amazing. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm getting misted. So, what did you think your first go? Better than you thought it was going to be? I'm glad to hear that.
Feedback's fantastic on it.
It's a shame we had to wait quite a while in the pre-show room, but it's nice knowing you're the first guests on it anyway. And all the effects are working. Are we going to try and find them now then?
So they're on up to
Oh. Dan, thought of the day? Wet, not yet.
Potentially wet.
Might be moist in a bit.
We could be looking for very, very moist days.
How the hell did that happen?
Well done, Rosie.
So yeah.
This is my thought of the day. Don't wear flat ballet shoes to a theme park. They will fall off.
They'll go well on Nemesis, wouldn't they?
Oh god, yeah, Rosie's gonna have fun on Nemi. Ballistic shoes.
I'm gonna take them off and put them in your bag. I'm gonna take them off and put them in your bag.
Really?
He was fantastic.
Gotta do it when I get paid.
Getting a flight.
Hey? What are you saying, Tyler?
I recommend getting a flight if you want to get there. Don't let go of that.
started raining. Couldn't escape it all day.
Mine's going to be a face of pain and disgust.
Bit dark.
It's not a bad time to say I was feeling quite nauseous before I got
Oh, you're fucking actually over the valley when they do that, when it slows down or stops.
Oh fuck, we need to stand near the Wickham. Get your hands out.
It's like a head fire, right?
Oh god, that's still going.
Did I say spider?
Saw?
I meant so.
Yeah, Saw's got it, yeah, I know.
Way out of the bit.
So as you can see, it's now open, and it's going really fast. That's really. It's not just me, is it? It's faster.
It looks
Well, yeah, it wasn't as bad as we were expecting, was it? That really? Oh,
Damn it.
this week. It sounds like it's had better days.
it like stopped. Slowed down on the left tail. for you.
Stacking.
It did the same. Like,
it always does it when the other train hasn't
Hasn't
cleared the
come out.
brake yet.
well, they haven't sent another one. No.
What next?
Yeah, decent.
He's probably seen him on the cameras with the cameras.
What are we doing now?
No point there.
We're doing Nemi again.
We may as well, won't we?
You need to see this back.
Wide berth.
Fuck's it, drop the paint here.
All here.
Looking good, Dan.
Get the Alton look. Don't body slam the donut.
Weather's taken a turn for the turd. Hey Dan, where are we on the moistometer? We're pretty high?
Kind of bordering on drowning now.
It's a good day. Fish.
Did I hear that right?
What?
It's a good day-ish.
Yeah. I like how not busy it is.
Oh,
I
it's
don't
dead.
like how fucking wet it is though.
I would happily trade this a bit of rain for, you know, a few guests. you know.
Crowds. Yeah.
Considering these trainers have got big holes in, they've done quite well.
Back there.
Hey Dan, so was it going a bit faster in the rain?
Oh, wow.
It's because we're stood underneath this tree, that's why. Let's move from under the tree.
Let's carry on.
Then he goes into like me and Alexander.
Go on, wave. So, was it going a bit quicker then, Dan?
Oh hell yeah, really was.
It was hauling, as he likes to say.